In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up volume profile charts on GoCharting. We'll walk through getting the volume profile onto your chart and dialing in the settings so it's clear, informative, and easy to read. First, head to the GoCharting website. On the homepage, click Products at the top, then choose Charts. This takes you into the charting terminal. Once you're in, look for the Study button on the interface and click it. In the search bar that appears, type Volume Profile. Add it to your chart and you'll immediately see the profile appear along the right side aligned with the price scale. That horizontal histogram shows how much trading occurred at each price level, which is invaluable for finding areas of interest. Next, open the indicator settings by clicking the small gear icon associated with volume profile on the left panel. Start with the value area setting. This controls the percentage of volume the profile highlights around the most traded prices, commonly set around 70%. Adjust it to match your strategy and you'll see how the shaded region narrows or expands. If you want the profile to reset for each trading session, enable Show Session. If you prefer a composite view that spans the full range visible on your screen, leave it off. To keep your chart uncluttered, turn on Shorten Label, which abbreviates text so important information stays readable without taking over the screen. Use Show Main to display or hide the core histogram. If you're comparing multiple indicators, temporarily hiding the main profile can help you focus. Width controls the thickness of the histogram bars. A slight increase can improve visibility on high-resolution monitors. Label Vol adds numerical volume labels. If you enable that, you can shorten those labels as well to keep things tidy. Under Format, set the number formatting you prefer, such as adjusting decimals for cleaner values. Chart type lets you switch how the profile is rendered, so pick the style that best complements your candles and background. Now fine-tune the look. Inside value area colors set the hue for the highlighted core of the profile, and outside value area colors handle the remainder. For maximum legibility, choose contrasting tones. Then adjust stroke and text colors so borders and labels pop against your chart's background. Finally, enable Extend VP POC lines to project the point of control across your chart. Great for spotting reaction levels, and turn on Extend VP VA lines to carry the value area high and low forward as dynamic reference zones. That's it. You've set up a clean, informative volume profile on GoCharting, tuned to your workflow and ready for analysis.